Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a Snap Sunday and every Sunday, but sometimes I totally forgot to do it. So if you guys want to be featured in my Snap, you guys can send me a Snap. So the topic for Snap Sunday is relationship advice. Not saying I'm a pro, but I'm just going to tell you my tips and my thoughts on relationships. Never take relationship tips from a person that's single or a person that's not been in a relationship for not even a year, not even 3 months. And whenever you and your partner are having like an argument or stuff like that, do not tell anyone, especially your single friends, because they will. Not saying that man should go and sex the entire community, I'm just saying, because if a man go and sex the entire community, people will beat them up like, yeah, boss, and then stuff. We women must not and cannot do stuff what man does. Like for instance, if a man go out there and sex the entire community, we cannot go and sex the entire community. You must always make time for your partner in whatever you're doing. There should always be a little time that you spend here and there with your partner, so that person will never ever feel no. Someone asked me if, for instance, your partner cheats, if they should cheat back, and my answer, to be honest, I would say like no. Hey guys, everything I talked about are my opinion and stuff like that. If you guys would like me to talk about a special topic, you can leave it in the comment section or snap me. Follow my snap. And next thing, in a relationship, you must always give your partner quality time, because you should never be in a relationship and feeling lonely. But for a woman, we cannot go and sex the entire community, because they'll be calling us like whore, slut, tot, bitch, and all those stuff. So that's why we cannot do stuff that much. So guys, I'll be having Snap Sundays every Sunday on my channel. So if you guys like this, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and like.